Hey guys, it's Rach here from Strategy Social. In this video, I'm going to show you how to give somebody access to your Google business profile. First of all, you want to enter in this URL link, which you will find in the description of this video. Second of all, you want to make sure that you're logged into the correct account, the correct email account, the one that's associated with your Google business profile. If you're not connected or you're not logged in with the correct email address, you will not see your Google business profile pop up in any of these settings. If you are logged in and you have multiple business profiles, you'll see a list of these profiles. You need to select the one that you want to give somebody access to. Once you're on the correct page, it should look like this. From there, you're going to find these three dots and select that. Click Business Profile Settings. From there, you're going to click People and Access. And then you're going to hit Add. Now, if you're adding me, you are going to put the email address in rach@strategysocial.com.au, and then you're just going to click Invite. Once that's done, I'll receive an email and I'll be able to access your Google business profile. From there, I'm going to implement some changes to optimize your profile, making sure all your information is correct and up to date. We're going to add Q&As, we are going to add imagery and anything else that is going to help give your Google business profile the best chance of being seen by your potential customers and also converting your potential customers.